Hi everyone, this is Ishika Bhattacharjee, and today I'll be talking about how artificial intelligence is transforming businesses. So basically, we are going to talk about the AI applications in business. So let's move forward. Uh, let's see how AI in business are affecting, how AIs are uh, doing good or bad in businesses. So basically, actually, AI is enhancing the decision making and efficiency in the business, right? Because now companies use AI to process huge amounts of data that make faster and smarter decisions, right? Like banks use AI powered fraud detection systems. Now they can easily analyze transactions in real time to prevent fraud. Now, all all companies actually have AI to analyze this massive data and understand their customer behavior and make smarter, faster, and more personalized marketing decisions that we know. So these are some more kind that uh, now AI is used in across different industries like marketing, finance, healthcare, logistics. How? See, in Amazon and Netflix, they are using AI to personalize recommendations. We are getting what we like, what we are going to binge watch, right? That kind of recommendation we are getting. And we all have different kind of recommendations in different systems. So these marketing schemes are using AI for this personalized recommendations. More, we can see that PayPal uses AI for credit risk prediction. So also AI is affecting the finance in a good way, right? We can see that AI tools like IBM Watson assist doctors in diagnosing diseases. So it's also useful in healthcare. And at last, we are seeing that FedEx uses AI to optimize delivery routes and reduce fuel costs. That is also helping in the logistics as the cost is minimized for their fuels and the profit is going to be maximized, right? Also, that we understand that AI is enabling automation and personalization, right? Like there is an example, many brands use chatbots. So we are having 24/7 customer service. We can just ask the chatbot for our queries and it tries its best and also actually does a very good task in helping us, right? So this is AI in business, just in a nutshell. Now, we will focus on two major applications, customer segmentation and recommendation system in this discussion, and both of which directly impact how businesses connect with their customers. So, in marketing, uh, there are customer patterns which predicts the future demand. So, to understand these patterns, we actually segment the customer group. Now, we have different types of customers which different needs in a simple group called customer. Now, segmentation is simply dividing this broad group into smaller groups so that we can analyze their needs properly and accordingly we can personalize their choices. So, it automates the campaign management and ad placement. You see, different ads are there for different YouTube videos, right? When we watch some phone related YouTube video, you will be getting some ad recommendation about a phone. So these are the things marketing are doing with the use of AI. Now we will be just looking forward for customer segmentation. So it is basically a process of dividing a large customer base into smaller groups that share similar characteristics. Now these characteristics can be age, location, lifestyle, or behavior. So traditionally, segmentation relied on surveys or intuition. But today, AI and machine learning algorithms can analyze millions of transactions, interactions, and preferences to find patterns humans would miss. Because we are training the AI to find the patterns, right? So that's why it is enhancing the marketing right now. Now, you can think of it like running an online clothing store, and instead of sending the same message to everyone, AI identifies which customers like casual wear, which would prefer premium brands, and which shop only during the sales. and then tailors or curate the marketing messages accordingly. So that's also booming the market, right? Now we are going to look at the types of customer segmentation we have. Now basically there are four main types that AI helps implement. The first one is demographic, second one is geographic, third one is psychographic, and the fourth one is behavioral segmentation, right? Now, demographic by its name is based on measurable traits like age, gender, income, or education. Like Nike. The company Nike targets young adults up to the age 18 to 30 and through social media influencers who resonate with that demographic, right? Because we will listen to the person who is on our age so that we can just get influenced by it. So AI is taking this help and boosting their marketing, right? There are more examples also, but let's move forward and see the second type, that is geographic segmentation. Now, this is based on location. It can be city, region, climate, country, anything, right? So, suppose Zomato tailors restaurant suggestions and promotions depending on the city, like biryani in Kolkata and dosa in Tamil Nadu, right? So, based on this geographic locations or any geographical basis, the AI is segmenting their customers and personalizing their choices accordingly. Now, let's move forward to psychographic segmentation. Now, it is based on lifestyle, values, and personality traits, right? So, it digs deeper into why customers buy, understanding emotional and psychological motivations. For example, see, Apple markets to creative professionals by emphasizing innovation, design, and simplicity in its products and advertisements. So, whoever likes some brand or minimalist things, they just go to Apple, right? This is the type of psychographic segmentation, and the last one is behavioral. Now, it groups the customers based on their actions and habits, like purchase frequency, brand loyalty, or engagement. Suppose Amazon Prime targets frequent buyers with personalized offers and reminders for the abandoned carts, right? So AI enables these segmentations to be dynamic. So it is in real time. It is going on real time. It is learning every day. So it is continuously learning from the new data and adjusting marketing strategies in real time. So this is the type of customer segmentation. Now we see that what AI techniques are used for this segmentation. So these are three techniques that I have mentioned, that is K-means clustering, predictive analytics, and neural networks. So in K-means clustering, the customers are grouped by shared behaviors. And in predictive analysis, it forecasts that who is likely to buy again. Suppose you have bought a packet of Maggie 4 times a week, right? From Amazon or anywhere. Now they are using their AI and they will suggest you the same Maggie brand in some lower price later on, so that they know that you will buy it again. That's how they are doing the predictive analytics. And the next is neural networks that identify subtle patterns from huge data sets. Now, there is one example that Starbucks AI system analyzes spending patterns to send personalized coupons. So you're not getting a very big discount on your spending, right? You are getting a personalized coupon. Maybe there is one person who is getting more discount than you based on their expenditure. So this is the types of segmentation and AI techniques we use for segmentation. Now, let's move to the recommendation system. So basically, it suggests you any products, movies, or songs, whichever you like, basis of your likes, right? So the recommendation systems are one of the most visible applications of AI in marketing, as they predict what a customer might like based on their past behavior, improving engagement and sales. So if you like something, like you like thriller movies, your Netflix recommendation will give you those kind of thriller movies that will impact your brain, right? You will get interested and you will be more engaged in Netflix. That's how they are uh, enhancing in their marketing. Okay. Like Spotify also curates discover weekly playlists using your listening habits. Now a kind of song you like some slow rhythmic songs, and it will recommend you some more that kind of song, so that you can just be on Spotify and get engaged in the app. That will increase their earnings. That's why it is also enhancing their marketing. Also, in Amazon, customers who bought this also bought suggest complementary products. Like if you are buying a shampoo bottle, Amazon will suggest you to buy this conditioner in a less price so that you will buy it. Correct. So customers who bought this also bought. This kind of learnings AI is getting. Now there are some types of recommendation system. There are three types mainly: uh, content-based filtering, collaborative filtering, and the hybrid system, which is the combination of these two. So let's check them one by one. So the first one is content-based recommendation systems. So it mainly focuses on your own history. Some example is Goodreads recommends books similar to those you have already read or rated. So its analogy is like a librarian who remembers your favorite genres and brings new books that matches your taste, so that you would be again engaged, right? The next one is collaborative filtering. Now what it does, it is based on similar users behavior. Now it assumes that people with similar past behavior will like similar items in the future. So the example is Spotify suggests songs liked by users with taste similar to yours, right? Now, whatever user have liked a song on their basis and Spotify predicts it that you like it also, then it will suggest you that song which is listened by another user already. So the basic analogy is it like a friend with similar music taste recommending a song you haven't heard yet. So this is collaborative filtering. Now comes the hybrid recommendation system. It combines both content-based and collaborative filtering for more accurate recommendations. For example, Netflix analyzes both your viewing history and patterns of similar users to suggest shows how you are likely to enjoy the show. So the basic analogy here is that a personal librarian who always consults a book club, taking both your past preferences and the community's tastes into account. And these recommendation systems would be just perfect for you. You will be so engaged in your apps that you'll just can't leave the app. And that's their earning, that's their marketing. So, in short, recommendation systems act like digital personal assistants, constantly learning and adapting to our preferences. So far, we have seen that how enables precise customer segmentation and personalized recommendations. Now, these tools are revolutionizing marketing by allowing companies to understand their customers on an individual level. So, this will increase the satisfaction, engagement, and ultimately revenue. Now, next, we would explore social media analytics, where AI help brands analyze public sentiment and trends in real time. But that's for another discussion. That's all for today. Thank you so much.